This channel hit 50K subscribers with only 75 videos, and almost everyone gets millions of views. Their secret? Skeleton educational shorts. Here is exactly how to make them for free using AI. First, open ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for skeleton shorts. Start a chat and type your topic. For example, skeleton eating fast food. It will generate scene-by-scene prompts. Next, open Gemini and click Create Image. Upload a screenshot from any skeleton video as a reference, paste your first scene prompt, and run it. If people appear in the background, tell it, use this image but show only the skeleton. Download the clean result. Repeat for every scene. Now go to Grok AI. Upload your first image, paste the same prompt, and click Run. Download the video clip. Do this for all scenes. Back in ChatGPT, ask for a 15 to 30-second voiceover script. Copy it, open 11 Labs, paste the script, pick a voice, and generate. Download the audio. Finally, open any video editor. Import your clips in order, add the voiceover on top, adjust clip speeds to match the audio. Do not trim. Crop slightly to remove watermarks. That is it. Your viral short is ready. Subscribe to learn how to create unlimited AI videos for free.